in this video, we'll be talking about how to draft a legal note. So start by giving a crisp subject to the legal note. Mention the second point is going to be background. Mention the background of the entire transaction or the situation that's taking place. And also refer, just like briefly give the names of the rules or the laws or the legal provisions that you're referring to, then substantiate and elaborate those legal points, mention the relevant section numbers along with rules, give a summary of all of them, or if you're exactly copy pasting a provision, then do it in inverted commas and italics. So all the rules have been mentioned. So whatever things that were required, I've mentioned all of them in crisp pointers here, and I've also added precedents in order to strengthen my case. So the way in which you'll mention precedents is by writing the name of the case and then adding the citation. So you can either footnote it or add it here, and you can give a quick summary and add relevant paragraph numbers. So in this case, I haven't added the paragraph numbers because I've sent a copy of judgments highlighting the relevant para. But if you're not doing that, then please mention the paragraph numbers to refer to in your legal note. Then everything has been mentioned in quick and crisp pointers. I've also added references from where I've taken this information. Make sure you refer to authentic sources, and you can either footnote this information too. So it becomes easy for the other person to verify the information that has been given. So this is just one legal note. We'll move to the second template. Now, again, heading, then here no situation was there. It was just a legal note required on mental cruelty in divorce proceedings. So definition was given, relevant, relevant legal provisions were mentioned, and they have been copy pasted in italics. So if you're copy pasting something, you're doing it in italics always. So everything has been mentioned. Now the cases have been mentioned in this manner. So here the paragraph number wasn't visible, so the page number has been added. And paragraph number here was visible in this judgment was there. So paragraph number copy pasted here. You can even choose to summarize it. And this is how it's done. You can add a brief conclusion in the end, like here it's how it's done. And everything has been footnoted. Now, whenever you're attaching a judgment, make sure you highlight the relevant para in it. So I'll just quickly show you the relevant paragraph in it. Yeah. So like how it's been done here. If so, this is highlighted in this manner because it's a true copy, and here it couldn't be highlighted in any other way. So that's how you highlight it. But I'll also show you another judgment. So this is a judgment, and you'll first, whenever while reading a judgment, quickly skim through the facts, see if they're relevant in your case, and then quickly move to the judgment which has been given. So in this case, the appeal is allowed. Make sure that your judgment, which you're referring to, the facts, along with the facts, the judgment is also in favor of the situation you're looking for. And if it is in favor, then great, nothing like that. You can cite this judgment as it is. But if this judgment is, for instance, let's say, this is against us. So what we can do, how we can utilize a judgment properly, is that seeing the contentions of the parties which have been raised. So referring to the case laws which have been cited here, like let's say in this case, we're referring to the case laws cited by the respondent, and they favor our case. So we can pull out these cases which might favor us. So this is how you utilize a judgment. You not only see whether if it's in our favor, nothing like that, but then for looking for additional case laws, you can always refer to the contentions part of the judgment and see the judgments which are cited by the parties, and you can pull out some of those if those cases favor you. So you can always pull them out. And your research, so how to see if it's favoring you or not, just look at the judgment which has been cited and the relevant para number and see if it's aligning with your case, and then just pull out that judgment. So this is how it's done. So I just wanted to like explain you the way in which a judgment is given by the court. So first, facts are mentioned, then the issues are going to be mentioned, then the contention of the parties, the arguments are going to be mentioned, and in the arguments they're going to talk about the legal point and the further interpretation of it along with the case laws. Then the court will add its observations. So the court is going to add their observations and then going to give the judgment in the very end. So this is how you make a legal note and look for, utilize a judgment properly. And always try to send a highlighted copy of judgments, highlighted copy of the relevant paragraphs in a judgment. So you highlight the relevant para like this and you send it across in this manner. So this is how you do it. And in a legal note, you add quick and crisp pointers. So this is all for this video. Thank you.